I'm going to tell you something that not a lot of piano teachers will tell you, and that is you don't really need us to teach your child piano. Okay, maybe if they're a little more advanced, you will need us eventually, but when you're first starting out, you do not need us. All your child needs is you and then a few extra cheap tools to help them along the way. I've helped dozens of non-musical parents get started with this, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can start your child in piano today. Hi, I'm Miss Emily with EBN Music, and I am a piano and voice teacher, and I help kids learn piano and voice in a fun, creative, and nurturing way. I've created a method that helps kids learn with joy, and it helps you teach them. My daughter is only 1 year old, so she's not ready for piano lessons or really any kind of lesson in general, but I can imagine that if my daughter was wanting to do art lessons, I would feel very unable to help her with art because I am not a visual art person, and I would feel like I would need to send her to somebody to learn right away. But actually, the truth is that I am her best teacher right now, and all I need as the parent is some tools to help me teach her art where I'm comfortable as well. So that's exactly what I've done for you with piano, and I have written this book called My First Piano Lessons, and it's on sale on my site, ebnmusic.com/books. I also have the supplemental book as well, the purple one, My First Piano Sheet Music. So in this video, I want to introduce you to this book, and I want to show you some pages and sort of help you see how this can help you and your child at home before you even consider formal piano lessons. The book starts off with a little section called Before You Play, and it shows your child how to sit at the piano, how far away to sit. It sort of introduces them to the keys. Each lesson has a title, and G Sharp the giraffe right here walks your child through all of the basics needed to learn their first song, and then at the end of every lesson they have a simple song to apply what they've learned, and each lesson builds on the next one. I've gotten a lot of great feedback on the book. Parents and kids alike really enjoy how easy the lessons are and how short the songs are, how short the lessons are, but also how confident it makes them feel when they can get through it. Each song are ones that most kids know. They're simple nursery rhymes or folk songs that you know and that your kids probably know too. So I have turned the lessons into this from this book into a simple, easy course. So again, if you'll go to my website, ebnmusic.com/books, go grab the book using my link and then come back to that site, to my site, and then scroll down and purchase the course. So the course is a series of video lessons that I've recorded that teaches your child how to play all the songs in the book. It goes through all of the lessons. So if your child is stuck somewhere, this is a wonderful course to have. So I hope that you'll consider that and have me help you along the way, helping your child learn piano. If this was interesting to you, be sure that you, again, go to the site, but also follow me on all of my social medias, Facebook, Instagram, and here on YouTube. And please subscribe and like this video and subscribe if you enjoy this kind of thing. I will be giving lots of piano and voice tips for kids, also some tutorials and things like that. So if that is something you're interested in, be sure to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments, do you have anything that you want to learn, that you want your child to be able to do? Let me know, and it might be a future video. All right, guys, thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.